Hello, my name is Oleg Shevtsov, and today with me Dmytro Lavraniuk. We are working with Dmytro on Cloud PBX portal, and this is our video to update you on what's going on with the development, what have we done recently, and what are our plans for the upcoming weeks. Hi, Dima, say hi.
Hello, hello. Latest news, so to say.
Yep. Could you share your screen and show us something interesting?
Yep. Sure. So demo time. I'm happy to announce that we've completely migrated to the new UI. So the new portal should look sexier and more appealing to your customers. It has, I must say, very fresh and attractive look. And apart from that, we did a thorough analysis after our user testing on what the typical or what the average customer journey looks like and tried to make it as smooth as possible. Apart from migrating to the new UI, we've also added a couple of new features to the portal. Just let's have a look at the example. Now, the Cloud PBX administrators are able to enable call screening policy for their employees. Let's say instead of creating individual call screening rules, the Cloud PBX administrator may just activate the company's set of rules, say night response modes and whatever. So this way, the Cloud PBX administrator can define how phone lines of their employees should behave, whether an announcement should be played, whether the call should be forwarded to voicemail and whatnot. We've also added Cloud PBX management permissions to the extension so that they are now able to switch other extensions to different operation modes, if you will, by simply dialing the IVR code. This can, of course, also be done from the web interface by Cloud PBX administrator. And this drastically reduces the time needed to manage the Cloud PBX configurations.
But this is a new feature, right, Dmytro?
Yes.
So this is a new feature which appeared in the recent maintenance releases. Administration of these modes, for instance, holiday mode or weekend mode for the office, and it's already available on the portal. So it sounds quite cool. Okay,
yes.
Show us more.
Yeah, but like you said, we did introduce this to one of the latest releases, but the question could be, what can we do if we are not yet running that latest release, right? To solve this problem, we are currently working on a new feature in PortaSwitch, which will allow telcos who need to customize the portal views that they can fine-tune the permissions or portal settings for particular customer, for a particular Cloud PBX administrator, so to say. If you are running one of the releases where operation modes are not available, that's not a big deal. And the new feature we are currently working on will allow you to define which portions of the new portal web interface should be shown or should be restricted. So our idea is that telcos with, let's say, maintenance release 90, where some features are not available, for instance, portal users, they can ultimately hide those sub-menus that they cannot use, right?
Or for instance, they can hide some other parts. For instance, if they do not sell fax mailboxes, or they do not want to allow adding new extensions, then they can hide these elements, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And to make this work smoothly, we expect many more portals to come. People may develop their own portals or utilize portals developed by PortaOne. To make the life of administrators and resellers easier, we need to think about the access from the admin or resellers UI, right? How they can access those new portals. I'm currently showing you the prototypes of the new web interface of PortaSwitch. And this is to illustrate how administrators and resellers will be able to log into the newly added custom portals or PortaOne developed portals. So admin or reseller will be able to actually choose the portal where they're heading, and this will automatically give them access to that portal.
Yeah, and other
So
portals they may get from us or maybe even develop themselves.
correct. So who can benefit? Definitely people who will be given support to clients when they troubleshoot something and need access to the portal. They don't need to remember the URL, and they don't need to remember the customer's login and whatnot. They will simply be redirected from the main UI to the desired portal.
Sounds very good. Like the experience redirecting and getting locked without copying passwords or saving some information is very good, I would say. So Dmytro, let's get to the deployment part. Like what is needed, what has to be provided to deploy a portal instance. So this is a kind of checklist for us and for you. So to deploy a portal instance, we'll need two domain names, like domain names for front end and domain names for API middleware. Middleware is a part which protects your portability backend from misuse or from maybe some denial of service attacks or from some people doing wrong things with the portal, for instance, hitting the refresh button many times and stuff like that. So such fraudulent or some denial of service attacks will be handled by the ingress controller, a part of the cluster handling these portal instances. So we need two domain names. We need two SSL certificates for the data to be protected by the security layer. And also we need your logo on a transparent background. Yeah. That's it. As simple as that.
This logo will actually appear in two places. The one is the sign-in or login page, and then everywhere across the application. So you just need one single source file, and we'll show it in multiple places actually. So this way you will be able to easily brand your portal and even run several portal instances own
white labeled.
Each portal white labeled individually.
Maybe for resellers or for your channel partners, it's possible. And for this, we just need this information like logo and domain names. So going further, like we have for you in the description of this video, we have a questionnaire. We want to hear from you regarding whether you use our native PortaOne portal or you use some custom portals. We want to know if you are consider switching to our development, if you consider switching to Cloud PBX portal we are developing. And also, if you have your own portal, if you developed some interfaces for your end users or maybe for administrators, we also want to get more information about what they do and how can we benefit from your work too. So let's keep in touch, and form is in the description. So have your say.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching.
And we are looking forward to your feedback.
Yes, feedback is what keeps us doing this job and making great progress. So thank you very much and stay tuned. Bye.